you. The city has been flooded. The flood has swept away houses. Please come and help us. Don't worry, the fire rescue team will set out immediately. Help us put on fireman uniform and let's get ready to set out. Kiki, there's a flood in the city. Residents are trapped in the flood. Momo, I will set out for the rescue. You can wait ashore in case any help is needed. Let's prepare an emergency rescue boat first. Rescue boat is ready. Let's go! Drive the rescue boat to find the trapped residents. Slide to dodge these obstacles. Help! Someone's in the water. Help them out of the water quickly. Help! Help! Someone on the car roof asked for help. Get over there quickly to help. Drag the trapped residents over to the rescue boat. Put on the life jacket. Safety first. Relief supplies. Get them out of the water quickly. To prevent flood from coming ashore. Riverbank reinforcement is complete. The flood will no longer submerge riverbanks. Kiki, all residents trapped in the flood have been rescued and the flood has subsided. Rescue task is complete. Should Whiskers climb up the roof temporarily to stay safe after the flood submerges the house? You are right! Should Whiskers climb up to a higher place when there is a flood? You are right! Awesome! Should Whiskers separate himself from the rescue team during flood evacuation? You are right! Awesome! When there is a danger, follow the rescue team closely to ensure your own safety.